Hello, this is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we'll be unboxing the brand new iPad Pro 11-inch. This just was released yesterday by Apple. So here's the actual iPad itself. And as you can see, it's got these squared edges all the way around. There's the camera right there. This also comes with FaceID. The camera is built into the top up here. And I'm not sure if you can see through the plastic here, but the screen is almost edgeless. And we've seen reports where people have used it and their thumbs just rest on the side, whereas before you'd have to grip the iPad. This is considerably lighter than the 10.5-inch iPad Pro from just last year. It feels that way anyway. I like the square edges, and this is the only way, if you get a new Apple Pencil 2, to charge it. There's no external charger from Apple, so you have to actually attach it to the side of the iPad via magnet, and it will charge the iPad or the Apple Pencil. So that's the iPad right there. That's the 64GB Wi-Fi version. So there's some documentation there. And then this is new. This is a USB-C adapter. This is new for the iPads. Of course, there are some MacBooks and MacBook Pros out there that use the USB Type-C charger, but this is the new charger for the iPad Pro. So we're happy that Apple's finally gone to a standard format, USB-C. So this is a USB-C to USB-C cable, also included in the box. So now you can use standard USB-C Type-C cables, and we like that the charger is also USB Type-C. Well, that's it for the unboxing. This is the iPad Pro 11-inch. You can get a magnetic keyboard and cover for it, and then also the magnetic Apple Pencil 2. And again, the 11 and 12.9-inch iPad Pros are the only ways to charge the new Apple Pencil 2 at this time. So you'll have to spend at least $7.99 or up to get one of those. This is Chris Roshna, 24K on Twitter.